Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make masala sweet corn. It's a very quick to make recipe and it taste is really good, and it's a very nice snack recipe and healthy one too. You can either use frozen or fresh sweet corn. Let's get started. In a pan, add 1 cup of sweet corn. I've taken frozen one. However, you can also use the same quantity of fresh sweet corn. I'm going to add 1 cup of water and salt to taste. Reduce the heat to medium and let it cook till it is soft. Keep mixing it, and for me it has taken 15 minutes. I could see little water at the bottom, but the corn has been cooked nicely, so I'm going to strain the water and transfer the corn to a separate bowl. When it is still hot, I'm going to add a small piece of butter and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and a pinch of chaat masala. So I've already added salt while boiling the corn, so now I'm going to add very little salt and give it a mix. Since the sweet corn is still hot, I'm adding the butter as it is. If it has cooled down a bit, you can melt the butter and add it and give it a good mix. And you can choose to add either red chili powder or just black pepper powder. It's completely your choice. After mixing it, the butter has melted down completely. Finally, I'm going to add a little chopped coriander leaves and 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice. If these two are completely optional, you can avoid if you don't want to. Give it a mix and that's all. Such a super easy and very tasty masala sweet corn is now ready. Do give it a try at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.